A survey shows that 68% of Indians are deficient in protein, while above 90% are unaware of the daily requirement of protein. A recent survey across 16 cities in India on perception, knowledge and consumption of protein found a gap in the knowledge of quality protein in daily diets. Protein deficiency starts at a very young age and is seen at alarming rate in school-going children. As per Government of India statistics, among children below 5 years, 36% are underweight and 38% are stunted. Children and adults with protein deficiency succumb more easily to infections. Every meal should have adequate amount of protein, vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. So, which food has the potential to provide all these nutrients? The answer is quite obvious: chicken.